Tired of putting off those essential home upgrades because of budget constraints? Let's unlock a smarter way to shop at Lowe's using Affirm. First, head over to Lowe's.com or visit your local Lowe's store and start filling your cart with all the tools, materials, and appliances you need. On the product page, you might see an estimated monthly payment powered by Affirm. This is a quick preview of what your payment plan could look like, making budgeting even easier. Once you're ready to check out, proceed to the payment section here. You'll find Affirm listed as a payment option. Select Affirm to begin the application process. You'll be redirected to Affirm's secure website or app. Provide the necessary information, things like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Affirm uses this to verify your identity and determine your eligibility. Within seconds, Affirm will let you know if you're approved and show you the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment schedule. Review these details carefully to make sure they fit your budget. After your purchase, you can manage your payments directly through the Affirm app or website. You'll see your payment schedule, due dates, and have the option to set up automatic payments to avoid any late fees. And that's it. You're now equipped to tackle those home improvement projects with the flexibility of Affirm at Lowe's. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful shopping tips.